People today act according to what they feel is proper and correct. And not just for themselves, also for the sake of the world about them. And the world today demands that companies too take their share of responsibility for the environment, people, and products. Sustainability and social responsibility require action. Today, some are a long way down the path because they have taken their responsibilities seriously from the very start. We are daylight engineers. We in VELUX strive to be a model company. In essence, this means a company working with products useful to society, which treats its customers, suppliers, employees of all categories, and shareholders better than most other companies. Sustainability is also a question of balance, of using what nature has to offer and paying back the debt. VELUX takes its share of responsibility for nature. We use certificated timber from areas where the afforested areas are in natural balance. Our production companies adhere to stringent environmental requirements. Raw materials, water and energy are used efficiently. Apart from pine wood, our other raw materials are mostly glass, aluminium and steel. VELUX recycles more than 70% of its waste in production. The remainder is incinerated, thereby creating new energy. Using global resources with consideration engenders sustainable innovation. VELUX has several proposals for how we can reduce CO2 emissions. VELUX demo houses show how intelligent building can make a contribution to reducing energy consumption. VELUX Soltag is a residential building that uses the heat of the sun as its energy supply. A house built on top of other houses. It saves room in the big city, and the urban dweller is given fresh air and daylight. Another proposal for the home of the future is Attica. With intelligent placing of windows, roller shutters and solar collectors, the building can be warmed up or cooled down. 40% of Europe's energy consumption goes to heating and cooling buildings. This can be reduced by designing buildings with care. Homes like VELUX Soltag and Attica are helping to reduce energy consumption. Being a model object company also means taking responsibility for people. This applies particularly in production, where there is the risk of accidents. The risk cannot be totally eradicated, but everything possible can be done to minimize it by enforcing high safety standards and putting the focus on the working environment. The objective is zero accidents at work, and VELUX is well on the way, because the individual takes personal responsibility and shows initiative, and because VELUX takes responsibility for the individual. No company can take all the world's problems on its shoulders, but we can behave decently. Sustainability and responsibility are an essential part of VELUX, in its vision, in its values, and in everyday life, so people around the world can feel at ease in their homes. Because we bring light to life.